Hello everyone, I am Dr. Manmeet Kaur. I am working as a psychiatrist in Govt Medical College, Amritsar. Today we will talk about depression. Depression is a common mental illness which is characterized by persistent and pervasive sadness of mood for at least 2 weeks. It is also characterized by inability to enjoy the activities that the patient previously used to enjoy. There is loss of body energy and increased fatigability. Now we will talk about the common symptom of depression. The common symptoms of depression include sadness of mood, anhedonia, that is loss of interest in earlier pleasurable activities. There is change in the sleep pattern. There is disturbance of sleep. There is change in the eating pattern. The patient can have overeating or loss of appetite. There is loss of attention and concentration. The patient has decreased or low self-esteem. The patient has ideas of guilt or unworthiness. There is loss of attention and concentration. The patient has suicidal thoughts or ideas of self-harm. Even they can attempt suicide. Now we will talk about the common risk factor for depression. Depression can affect anyone. It can affect people of all the age group, whether they are children, adolescents, middle age group people or elderly people. Depression can affect both male and female, whether they are residing in urban or rural areas. In the history of the patient, there can be history of any stress factor, like the patient can have loss of a loved one. There can be history of chronic medical condition in the patient. The patient can have a history of mood disorder in the family. There can be some kind of social or financial stress in the family. Now we will talk about whether the depression it requires treatment or not. Yes, it is a mental condition which is just as real as any other medical condition, just as cancer and diabetes. So it requires treatment, it can be treated and it should be. In case of depression, there are some things which you can do. Try to enjoy the activities that you previously used to enjoy. Exercise a little, it can be a short walk. Maintain a healthy routine like regular eating or sleep pattern. Connect socially to your friends and family and seek help in case of any emergency. Avoid using alcohol or any illegal substances because they can worsen depression. In case of depression episodes, seek help from a mental health professional. Thank you.